Welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking. Today I will share with you omelette recipe with tricolor fruit and vegetables. For making this recipe I have taken half apple, 1 capsicum, small piece of pineapple and 3 eggs. Turn on the heat, put a pan, let the pan heat up, then add a tablespoon cooking oil. Put 2 drumstick pieces to separate each omelette. Now break 3 eggs and pour into the pan one by one. Reduce the heat. We have to fry the omelette over medium to low flame. Spread the pineapple pieces on the first omelette, then spread the apple and capsicum pieces on the second and third omelette. Now sprinkle some salt on the 3 omelettes. Reduce the heat, cook for a minute, then spread quarter teaspoon black pepper powder on the 3 omelettes. Spread the egg yolk with a spoon and mix the apple, pineapple, capsicum pieces with the egg yolk. Cook for a minute over low heat. Now add a teaspoon sesame seed. Sprinkle the sesame seed over the 3 omelettes. Whenever you will make fruit omelette, don't forget to add sesame seed because it goes well with pineapple and apple as well as capsicum. Cook until the bottom is set. Spread a teaspoon oil in the side way so that it will not stick with the pan. Cook for 2 minutes. Now I will remove the drumstick pieces. Gently remove the drumstick pieces with a chopstick. Our nutritious fruit omelette recipe is done. Serve this with tomato ketchup. If you think my recipe is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe.